You can drive?
After
Yeah.
we went from vegan, we can try to
Drive.
teach you guys. But Tito Ram will teach you first. The Titos will be the one to teach you first and then me. Okay? Because
You amaze me. You're so
I
good
only
in
learn from
English.
them.
You amaze me. You like you came from in America. Tita Jo, samahan lang namin sila. Oo nga, no. Patapos na kaya si kuya mo doon?
Simula lang to. Tsaka yung barber kasi nila magaling.
Ah,
Nagte-take time talaga siya na gupitan.
okay. So, kuya, Nak, can you help your kuya to that? Need to to cool the car. Ang hirap magsalita. Kuya Martin, are you ready to meet your lolo and lola at your papa?
Yeah.
Tama ba ako?
Kasi English eh.
Kuya, sulitin niyo yung nandyan sila.
Hindi tito kinaya ng pagkakonyo ko dito.
Sulitin niyo. Mika yung yung nandyan sila para...
Hello guys. Let's do a dunk contest. Okay, sabay. All of us. 1, 2, 3. 360. East Bay. 360.
Ano yung sabihin kuya?
Hello guys. Hi guys.
1, 2, 3, go.
Hello guys.
Hello guys.
Hello guys. So, bibisita po kami sa father side namin. And yan, sinamahan po kami ni Tito Ram. So, what will you say to Tito Ram?
Salamat po.
Salamat.
How about Nico? Can you try that? Salamat po.
Salamat po.
It's my pleasure, mga pamangkin. I want to cover this because I want you to watch this when you come back.
It's a way of remembering us.
Yeah. And I just want to treasure this together with you. Mm.
Me too. How do you say me too? Ako din. Ako din.
Kahapon tinanong ko siya, sabi ko, hindi ko lang na-record.
Ang lambing, no?
Sabi ko, how can I make you happy? What will we do? Anong gagawin namin? Sabi ko, anong gagawin namin para mapasaya kayo? Sabi niya, it melts my heart. Sabi niya, Kuya Nathaniel, that together, how can you say it again?
Being with you.
Like
Yeah.
just being with you guys will make me happy.
That's
Yeah.
enough.
That's enough. It's enough.
That's enough for
Your presence is enough.
That's why
Nathan and Nicole.
my heart is like want to explode.
Walang iyak.
No.
Nathan and Nicole.
Yeah.
Is that one? Still remember?
So who stays here? Noah? No,
yeah.
you stay here, right?
Sayang hindi kasama si Kuya. Ba't napasingit pa yung kupit niya? I want to see also the reaction of your lolo and lola here.
We're already here.
You know what? Kahapon I almost cried when you hug each other.
Oh,
Yeah, your Kuya.
at the airport?
Yeah. Your lolo and lola's house, beautiful, oh?
Oh, this is the house?
Mm-hmm.
Ito na ang house ni Lola.
Mm.
The first sentence?
Yeah, so good. Yung bahay po nila, Lola Letty.
Oh, how do you say it? Casa? No, that's Spanish. That's Spanish.
So big house.
Bahay? Yeah, bahay.
Okay, we're here na. What is your name? AJ.
Alejandro.
Seryoso, ikaw ba yan? Are you blessed? Oh, God bless. It's your cousin, oh. Come inside, come inside.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Come here. Go inside.
Iba air din yung nakuha mo?
What a beautiful house pala. Danleti. It's Tito Ron. Handsome Tito Ron. Kumusta? So, ito po yung kanilang ano. Parang nakapag-ano na rin ako ah.
Saan na si Kuya Jerome?
Sana daw si Kuya Gerald.
Ano, daming...
Who is Gerald?
Uli pa.
Pauliya pa kano. It's ano, Pauliya kano. Paano yun? You,
Promising ka ba na tuwan?
Oh.
He's going home later. Around 3 p.m.
You with friends?
No, with auntie.
Oh, auntie.
Magilaw po kayo. Mapapanood niyo yung sarili niyo sa vlog.
First time ba yan, no?
Oo.
Hello, Saan mapapanood?
Sa channel po natin, sa Telegram. Okay, God bless. Pasok, come in. Come to my house.
Just you, right? So you sat with two random people?
One per square kilometer to one per square meter.
Were you in the middle? Window?
And over the course of 4 years, they've raised the
On my
altitude
first one, I was in the middle, and then I was on the
very
higher
comfortable. These are excellent candidates. Crazy.
No, I had it as I had one in Hawaii and then Guam.
Hawaii?
Yeah.
You stopped at Hawaii? I don't think we took a different route. So you went
Yours
down.
was
You
longer.
went down?
Yeah, like
Ba't di sila pumasok? Kuya, ba't di kayo pumasok?
Chicago was here and like Hawaii was
Noah.
like on this side.
Hey, Luis. Ate AJ is daughter of Kuya Ronron, Tito Ronron. AJ is American citizen also. Yeah.
No, Pinoy.
Yeah.
You're bred here. You're born and bred. We're the local one.
I need help of putting this on the I need help.
We're like white
I need help.
Dual
You
citizen.
want that?
Because we have 12 years, 12 grades.
So that's like our middle school.
Oh. What's but 7 and 10 is high school, right? What about 11 and 12?
Senior house.
Senior high school?
So that's our middle and junior.
So would you have to transfer, or is it still like the
I need
same
help.
place?
My hands.
Like it was the 11 and 12.
Our work's different. We have like
Like right there.
Oh my gosh! Did you see
Tito Ron, you can bless. Ay,
that? What Mama's music?
bigger daw.
Oh yeah, the metal side. Metal side? No. Oh no, Tito. Tito.
Dos por dos.
Metal.
It's a beautiful Lola. Ay, nasa si Martin?
Tinignan po nila yung aso. Pinantahan po nila yung aso. Travis.
Lumalabas na yung galing ni Ate Mika.
Like, did you play high school for your
Standing
team?
up.
High school
Like varsity.
varsity?
Oh!
What is intro?
Nasaan siya? Sa mga aso.
Against like grade level, even grade level.
Pero nakakulong. Oh, in school. So just in school, okay. She plays track now. She runs.
For track and field. How far you can go?
No, I do the 200 meter events.
Just how many?
Is that short?
200 meters, it's pretty long.
I'd say long. What about short?
Nagpagupit to eh.
Oh, this is my god. This is my god. You can start. Okay. What are you gonna say, Steven? I'll help you.
You know your Lola Letty, always, yeah.
Since when I was in grade 3.
Same pala kayo na eh. Maba ng
Wala na ako eh.
Mano kayo
Hindi, when I was in high school, my hair is up.
Ala, si Lola Letty, alam niyo, magaling din sa English to.
Is what? I would say button hollow. Wait. What about Kapampangan?
Kapampangan mo, andasan, kapampangan. Makaintindihan.
Ano po, naintindihan po niya pero hindi nakakasalita.
Kumusta yung biyahe?
Okay lang.
Oo. Ang galing ah.
Siya, about Nicole, kumusta yung biyahe?
This is for Cassie.
Hindi. How about Martin?
Ah, yan po talaga hindi.
Ito yung immigration.
Jacob, Sir Tita Rose.
Nagalo sila ng regalo nila.
Problem in immigration?
But you know,
I'm so happy.
is this your go-to toothpaste?
Kamusta, Kuya Ray?
On the toilet.
Kino-cover ko to para mapanood nila tsaka kayo.
I told you, you can toilet.
Thank you sa Kuya Ray. Thank you sa nawi yung mga bata. At least naging masaya lahat. Na lahat nanginginig kahapon eh. Kung sinong parang lumalabas. Kala nila yung mga bata na yung lumalabas sa Wala po.
Sa hotel.
Ay, hindi po, wala po yun.
Sabi niya, magbabaan na nila. Siyempre, sabi ko,
Hindi po, wala po yun. Nag-aagawan nga ako kami ni Tatang, sabi ako na. Gusto ko nung lolo tsaka ni lola, talaga yung
kasama. Kasi makita namin. Sabi ni Rose, kasi nandito sila Tita Rose, kailangan mo sila kagabi. Hindi na, sabi niya, kanyang si Dan Rose, tsaka si Dan Gusto ni Tatang ma-try yung 5-star hotel dun sa sa Emerald. Yung doon. Na-enjoy nila. Na-enjoy naman siguro nila Kuya Steve.
Business?
Gusto nila si Nathan, ang daming kumain pa lang.
Ayan po yung aming Kuya Ryan na poging-pogi. Asawa po ni ate.
Bata pa yung dating.
Parang lang, kasing edad ko lang,
Parang kasing edad ko lang.
Tingnan nyo, katekra mo.
Mas bata pa tingin.
Siyempre, nagmanap.
Si Ate Jane, sa work ka niyan, Kuya Ray? Okay. So, paano? Kuya Ray? Ay, napakababait nila. Napakabait. Napakagaling. Napakaganda ng pagpapalaki nyo. Oh, lalo na si Martin behave. Tsaka alam mo yung lumaki silang may gabay ng pamilya, ay ng mabuting nanay at tatay.
Thank
you. Eh, pare-pareho lang.
Pinagsin na din. Hindi sa mat.
Kaya ingat kayo dyan. Kuya Ray, ingat kayo dyan.
Kayo din, lalo na sa biyahe niyo mamaya.
Oo. Huwag kang mag-alala sa mga bata. Pero sabi ko kaya gusto kong malaman mo. Sabi ko, ano bang gusto na, anong gagawin namin para mapapasaya kayo? Sabi ko kay Kuya Martin, ay kay Natanya, sabi niya yung makasama lang namin kayo, Tito, okay na daw. Parang,
Nathan,
ano,
Steven din.
nakakano yung puso nila.
Sige.
Ingat Kuya Ray, ingat kayo ha. Kuya Ray, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Kunukuha ko yung moment para mapanood din nila ito balang araw.
Kaya, thank you.
Welcome. Kuya Ray, ingat. Ingat, ingat.
Ate Jane mo niya.
Yung Wall of Fame. Parang yung ano doon. Past. No, angkat.
Oh my gosh! Is that Papa?
Yeah.
Nagulat siya oh.
Sa panganay.
What? Do I look?
Sino kamukha? Si Martin.
Martin.
But you look...
Who's that?
Yeah, may Martin pala no.
When he graduates high school, this high school, college. He still looks young for college. He's serious.
Then to Ron, the second, sa boys, the second.
Wall of Fame. Yan po si ate, si Kuya. Grabe ni Kuya Steve, kagwapo dito. Kuya Steve,
Chubby-chubby pa yung
you're so handsome here ah.
Nandiyan ba si Steve?
Opo.
Oo, kasama siya.
Dalete, thank you po sa ganitong mga pagtaga ng pictures.
Si Richie.
This is Tita.
Ah,
Richie lang pati yung mga lahat ng ano namin sa bahay namin eh.
okay.
Sa may si Richie lahat. Pati yung TV room na si Richie.
Eto, iano ko katekram. Si Kuya po yung panganay, si Kuya Ryan. Sumunod si Ate Ruth.
Ito.
Ay, sumunod si Ate Ruth. Ayun po ang gagwapo po din ng mga anak. Sumunod po si Ate Joy.
This is that.
Sunod po si Rose. Ito po si Rose.
Yan, si
That's Tito Boom. That has to be.
Ayan.
Yeah.
Nakasama ko po sila sa Manila nung college. Si Ate Joy, si Ate Ruth,
Si Sobi.
And Tita Honey.
Yan si Ron.
si Kuya Ron, si Boom.
This is nanay and lolo. Different guy.
Ayan. Sumunod. Ayan, bunso. Pinakagwapo lahat yung bunso. Ayan o.
Lola Letty.
Oh,
Sunod-sunod po yun.
Silver. Yung 20
this is the... Oh, how do you say it?
Guapo. Guapo si Guapo si
Ito yung mga apo.
Who's
I think
this?
Sila Jay.
Looks like we're June.
Yeah, it looks like Jacob.
Oh my gosh.
That's Tita Ruth. Tita Ruth looks like Nana.
Wow.
Tingnan na si Kuya niyo baka dumating.
Okay, here we go. This is Martin. This is Joe. This is me and Kuya John Paul. This is Kuya John Paul.
Ah, si Kuya John Paul.
I like that photo. This is Jesse. Ito, tingnan nyo. Jesse.
Wow, my beautiful pamangkin.
I don't mind this.
Kinisi.
Ay.
It's, oh, grabe, kaya pagwapo ni Kuya Steve, si Nicole, si Nathaniel, tsaka si Martin. Ayun po sila.
See? This is Liam.
Excuse me.
Liam, Win, Jacob.
Si James, kilala nila. James to, si James.
James?
Let's see the see.
You're so handsome there. Your graduation picture.
Like you.
Could Jumbo with his girlfriend?
No, it's only a partner.
Oh. Oh, for what?
A wedding.
A wedding. Whose wedding was that? You know?
I don't remember.
When I go to is a Facebook.
That's maybe people. Do you remember this one?
Sa inyo pong kaalaman, si Indang Letty ay isang teacher, napakagaling na guro
Dahil nakote.
ng Mapaniki, Candabo, Pampanga.
Sabi ko, retired na.
A retired teacher.
7 years.
Pero yung pong pangungopia ko dati, Dan Letty, na nakikita niyo ba yung 90 degrees ng mata ko dati? Sila po yung teacher na naawa na lang ho sa akin para ipasa po ako.
Hindi po, ano po yan, masipag, mag-aral, at saka po super bait.
Naku.
Super generous po niya talaga since bata pa siya.
Hindi naman.
Tsaka very loving parents. Very loving family po siya. Loving wife, loving children, loving people.
Ang ganda ng mga picture, no? Wala akong masabi sa mga picture.
Mamaya na kayo magkano. Asan sila? Asan sila nito?
I think I remember.
Kung meron ho kaming tito Lito, merong tito Ron. Tito Ron, tubo ka ng tito. Yeah.
Kulit naman kayo masyado.
Oh.
Hindi, kasi katagal namin din nagtitita.
Oh. Nakain na, sabay mo sila. Ang tagal magpagupit.
Malit na mga...
Si Tito na.
Where'd you go? We're at the gas station? You get one at the gas station? Where? Down there? Down the street?
What happened? Sige po, kumain ka na.
Again.
Ano ba ito na?
Di ba yung kami ko eh? Oh, kaya mga.
Ito pa yung plato.
Sige na po.
Meron mga baksi.
Si Kuya ho kasi nung kumakain ho sila, nagpagupit ho siya. Kaya siya hindi ho talaga nakain. Yung nga po eh. Yeah.
It's kind of like rapping.
Hello, Ate Ruth. Iyan po yung sumunod kila Kuya Ryan. Isa sa pinakamagandang anak po ni Indang Letty. Ayan o. Sure. Ano, pakita mo yung picture mo. Ay, yung ano mo. Pakita ka, Ate Ruth.
That's Steve.
Ayun o. So, hindi,
From that Steve.
hindi nagbabago yung mukha ni Ate Ruth. Oh, grabe. So beautiful pa rin, Ate Ruth.
I'm gonna show him the dog.
Yeah, okay.
Wait, you wanna see the dog?
Chicken.
It's manok.
Manok. Gusto ko manok. Masarap yung chicken po na. How do you say beneficial? Healthy. Masarap ang masarap at alin?
May nakukuha kang benefits.
Ah,
English?
Tagalog.
Nutrina?
English din. Ay,
Hindi, matinig na. Hindi.
Ano ba?
gusto mo na
Sige nak, dapat ikaw
para ano,
nutrition.
may nakukuha oo, may nakukuha
Pagkain.
nutrition titipid na sa utak tite.
Hindi ba nutrition?
Alam ko na.
Ano?
Cholesterol.
Cholesterol mo ako dyan.
Need to watch out for system.